Hello everyone, my name is Mehnaz Tabassum, and I'm honored to introduce our team for the G7 GovAI Grand Challenge. I come to this challenge as a former public servant and now as the Executive Director of NL Eats and founder of Cognico AI Consulting. Our team is truly multidisciplinary and global in perspective. We have Vlad from the United States, Emad, Saurav, and I from Canada. For this competition, we selected Challenge 4, which focuses on improving how clients communicate and interact with government services. This challenge resonates with us because while exploring trade and partnership opportunities across Asia for NLITs recently, we experienced firsthand how difficult it is to interpret trade requirements and find the right resources. Even with my public service background, navigating fragmented regulatory websites, unclear processes, and finding the right point of contact was time consuming and discouraging. It is even harder for SMEs, an under-resourced organization trying to enter global markets. This barrier limits economic participation and make it harder for both Canadian and international businesses to find new market opportunities. Over the past few days, our team focused intensively on both the technical build and the real-world validation. We also spoke directly with mentors from Cognico AI Consulting, Trade Facilitation Office of Canada, and Global Affairs. Their insights helped us understand the practical challenges faced by exporters, trade officers, and support organizations. With that, I will hand it over to Emad for a live demonstration of our platform.
So, the G7 leaders' statement on AI for prosperity explicitly calls on us to close the digital divide and support SME adoption of AI. When government communication is too complex, we fail that mandate. This is why we built the Canada Trade Intelligence Assistant. CTIA uses multi-agent AI to unify trade data, making it accessible to everyone regardless of the language or ability. So here's how it works. The process follows a strict 5-stage pipeline through a verifiable chain of thought workflow. It begins with the orchestrator. As seen in the system logs, the supervisor agent decomposes your natural language query. In this case, you want to import mangoes from the Philippines to Canada. It then delegates the tasks to specialized deterministic agents parallelly. And instead of navigating 5 different portals, in seconds, the system synthesizes a compliant trade strategy. Next, we move to the classification. Our taxonomist agent consults the customs tariff to identify the correct harmonized system, HS codes. This ensures that we are talking about the exact same commodity as the border agents. Then we verify compliance. The compliant officer queries the CFIA AIRS databases to check for safety regulations, permits, and labeling requirements. It then retrieves from open source intelligence repositories. Simultaneously, the strategic agent generates market intelligence. By pulling live data from Statistic Canada, it visualizes market trends to identify seasonal price peaks and then tracks the top trading partners to assess your competition. It even maps the provincial distribution, showing you exactly where the demand is, so you can optimize your supply chain logistics. Finally, this intelligence is synthesized for our partners. So whether you're a trade commissioner or a TFO client, the system aggregates these findings along with key contacts to facilitate the process. To ensure explainability, we use a citation-first framework. Every insight is hyperlinked directly to the source. This aligns with the G7's focus on transparency, allowing officers to audit the decision trail instantly. CTIA is designed with accessibility in mind. The system converts the bureaucratic language into grade 8 level guidance. It is fully multilingual and WCAG 2.1 compliant. We also adhere to a strict privacy by design. We have zero retention policy. Data is encrypted, processed in a volatile memory, and purged instantly. While we started with Canadian data, architecture is agency agnostic. We can expand to support the Indo-Pacific strategy or our G7 partners simply by connecting new regulatory datasets. By reducing research time from days to seconds,
Imagine if this is what we achieved in just 1 week, what can we build together in 12? Thank you so much.